What's up? Welcome to the second live stream of the day. I am doing the same thing I was doing earlier. I don't know. Roscoe just randomly got up all of a sudden. I'm still trying to get things set up. That's why I'm like looking around, trying to figure out what's going on. But yeah, I have a new keyboard. That was the thought to share today. In fact, I'm about to post. I'm gonna post it on my Twitter right quick. That I have a new keyboard, and then I'm gonna type some shit. All right, that's my new keyboard sound. It's a little soft, a little, you know. I like the beat on my board, but can't really beat it. Anyways, let's go back to this Discord. Oh, actually, no. Before I do that, I'm going to post this tweet like I just said I would do. All right, cool. Now, I think when I left off, I think I finished this channel. Yeah, I did. Cool. Let's see what's happening in general. Just a bunch of new people who I need to do something better with this. I don't like this. It's just like nothing. We got a response. All right, thank you. Yeah, it's host on a free server, so the server sleeps every 15 minutes. It takes time to come back up when it receives a request. Okay, I got it. All right, cool. So I'll try it again. Why is it opening in this weird shape? All right. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, it doesn't work for me. All right, on to React. What's going on in React land? Let me close this. All right. Oh, so there's only one since the last time I responded. Okay. Did I do that? Yeah, okay, I've already looked at that. Okay, you can tag users and then create notifications for minutes before the event and send to all users with that tag. Okay. What does your HTTP request look like? So they have an app ID, the segments they want to include, some data, the actual message. Interestingly, they're not using the data anywhere in their message, but maybe they're doing it somewhere else. And then included, wait, oh, no wonder that you can't do both. And yeah, it's deprecated. It's still, yeah, I don't know. Deprecated just means that we no longer technically support it. It's used at your own risk. As of now, eventually it'll get better. All right, so the problem. For some reason, this new keyboard, like, it's too sensitive, or I don't know how to explain it, but it'll like double space sometimes. I'll get 2 spaces, or I'll get a ghost period. It's really weird. I don't understand it. Okay, so you can't include the, see right here, right there. It's a ghost space. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can tolerate that. Okay, you can include the included segments param with. Actually, you can't have a request that includes both the included whatever and whatever the hell the other one is, params. All right. Include aliases. Okay. Additionally, you must include the target channel param. To indicate the intended channel to send the message. All right, so I gotta go look for the doc somewhere. Wait, why is this additionally must include? I don't know if I agree. Wait, do I agree with that? Oh, it didn't even agree with that. No wonder. I'm like, wait, I don't agree with that. I see the problem. You can't have a request. I will take it, but then I'm gonna modify it because what I had was fine. Cool. Ah, shit. I forgot to include the docs. So we'll go to this. We'll close whatever this was. Whatever that was. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Nothing to see there. All right, so we need to go to documentation. Oh, what was that? Whoa, 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 whoa. How? What? Where did that come from? A 2 dot? Is that a umlaut? Umlaut? Man, what in the hell? All right. By the way, there's some other things. We're gonna side tangent here. This is the thing that I had to figure out how to get this to work. It didn't just work, but this keyboard has a freaking settings menu. Can you believe that? All this shit, and half of the stuff, well, more than half. I would say 90% of the shit I don't even know what it means. Like, what is a OSL 8? No idea. Or TO1 or MO3. Cause I have MO1 right here and I don't really know what that means. Is that, I don't know. I really don't know. And then I have these special characters and yeah. Some of these, like, I kind of know what they mean, but some of these other ones, like these customs, cause I thought I can come here and like set a custom sequence. Like, I don't know what any of these things do. And I'm too afraid to do it. And what's even crazier is that, like, there's all these whatever the layers. I guess I don't know how you get to them. I don't know why they exist. Why do I need 7 different keyboards? 8 different keyboards layers. Or it's just a mode. No idea. Anyways, tangent complete. We'll go back to whatever else I was working on. All right, so we were looking for documentation. All right, so the doc that I want to give him is something to do with target channel. Like, we even have a thing here, but I want to send them to the doc actually. Wait, is it not called target channel? Target channel. Oh, wait, it's not documented. Oh, wait, whoa. Okay, I'm tripping. It is documented. It's just weirdly documented. Include aliases. Is that what he was doing? And let's move this to another place. He was including segments and aliases. Yeah, you can only do both. So if you're doing aliases, I'll just send this to him. We'll say, there we go. All right, so yeah, that included aliases, and then that would work. You can do either or, but not both. Include aliases, yes, yes. You know what? I'm gonna try something. Let's try something. All right. All right, cool. So now that I've done this, because it's going to take me a second to find the right doc, because I'm rewriting documentation right now. All right, so he's right. It does expect a hash, and it's like this kind of hash, but I have a better example of this in my docs that I haven't released. So where is that at? Is that README, I think? Yeah. We'll go into README, log in here. Was your Friday stream about quitting jobs? No. No. I don't know where that's coming from. At least I don't think it was. And if I was talking about quitting jobs, maybe I was talking about why would you quit your job? I don't know, who knows. But no, I don't think that's what I was talking about. All right, so I'm looking for my new docs where they're not published yet, but they will be one day. So I want to show him the included aliases. Wait, is this still the wrong one? Oh yeah, I forgot. It's the version. Come on now, why would you do that to me? B11. All right. Gonna get some included alias action here. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Oh, excuse me. I forgot. I'm looking at the wrong doc. Included alias. Wait, oh shit. Wait, have I not? Is it? Oh shit. I don't think I finished this. There should be an include, like an include something, aliases or something. Let's see. Oh, it is. Okay, I just can't read. Okay, here we are. Cool. So I'll send them this link that shows what it should kind of look like. Wait a minute. Include aliases and then external user ID. Yeah. Cool. Oh, you're watching. Oh, well, hello. The reason why I wanted to let you know that I was streaming is so that just in case you just pop in and see that I'm actually, like, it takes me a second to go find things. This is, and I'm gonna actually write it so that other people who may see this know what the hell this is. So these are the docs I'm working on. Unpublished at the moment. But should be helpful nonetheless. Man, these ghosts, I'm getting like these weird ghostings keys. This is a new keyboard, literally. I literally just, like, during my lunch break. Literally. All right, okay, so there's another doc that I kind of want to show here. It's the push notification. So this is also like, it doesn't exist. It will exist one day. One day. So this is something helpful for all of what? Wait, did it just archive something? How do I unarchive? I might have to switch back to Firefox though, because it's too much. Oh, whoa! It's doing it again. How do I not do that? I don't want this. All right, whatever. Okay, so you can also check this out. That was okay. But that G, maybe I did that one, but there was another key that I didn't do, and it definitely ghosted on me. So far, I haven't gotten another double space. See? Oh, look, right here, right there. Double space. Right there. It did a double space right there. This is annoying. Ugh. Yeah, I might have to go back to the other one. It's too soft too. Like it's, I barely touch it and it keep registers. I want to be able to, like explicitly tap the key. Anyway, you can check this out, learn more about all the push channel params. And that looks about right. Cool, there you are. Yo, what's up, Alex? How are you? Alex R. And let's see here. I saw a comment from the morning stream about it. Oh, that was Preston. We got breakfast Friday? No, not Friday. What's today? Today is Monday. Okay. We got breakfast on Sunday yesterday. And I don't know why. I don't know. Oh yeah, he was talking about something. I was like, well, if you have so much conviction, then quit your job. And he started thinking about it. Or maybe we were on stream. I don't know. I don't even know what day it is most days. So maybe you shouldn't, I don't know. You shouldn't ask me questions about what I've done. I don't know. When my bot's done, you know, when it's fully automated, instead of me having to push a button to get it to go transcribe all of these streams and then produce a summary, then at that point, maybe I can ask that question of like, oh yeah, did I do that? All right, cool. So I think this he's good now. Let me make sure I mark this as I've looked at it so I don't forget. Okay, so yeah, we're good here. Oh, and I'm done. Perfect. So then let's go on to Android. What's going on in the Android world? I'm done here. March 6th. What did I do? Cool. All right. So, hello. Will there be support for Compose multi-platform? Currently on the market, there's only one library that eased the implementation. Who is this person? Let's figure out who is this person. This is the second time I've seen this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Watch it all maybe. Yeah, we'll only look there. One day things will open. Look at this freaking URL. Look at that. It's a lot of spaces. Isn't %22 a space? Man, that is disgusting to say the least. Let's see what this is. All right, so we get, oh wow, okay, so it's a bunch of filters. Oh, that's disgusting. Honestly, our filters look like this too. I'm not even gonna lie. It's really hard to do these easily for end users. All right, static key, team member. Yeah, all right, cool. Who is this person asking me stuff? Hello, so who something? Who are you, person? All right, so they've only messaged on Git. Oh, okay, so they only put it in 2. All right, fine. Sure. I just need dark mode. Do we have dark mode yet? Display beta. Look at that. They finally added it. Oh, my eyes. They thank you. All right, cool. Let's go back to the thing. Oh man, yes. Zoom in a little bit since I'm blind. All right. Is this a GitHub person too? Maybe. What y'all think about my internet stalk skills? Seeing if this person has also been asking other people about whatever the hell this thing is, this composer. Compose? Is that what it was called? I don't know. I don't see it here. Oh, whoa, wait. Did F13 get mapped to something else? Okay, all right, give me a second. My other keyboard is different. Just let me, my other keyboard's different. Yeah, just, gosh, what is it, keyboard? Mac they've like ruined it. It's so difficult to use now. I don't know how to do anything. Keyboard shortcuts. Okay. That was, what was that? What was that doing? Mission control? Show desktop. Oh, yeah. I don't want that. Let's do whatever the fuck that key is. All right, cool. Now F13 just flashes my screen stupidly. Okay. And then I still got my brightness. Okay, perfect. Maybe I make F13 like my screenshot thing, so I don't have to do Command Shift. Stretch my fingers. All right. I think I can ignore this question because I've already dealt with it earlier in another channel. So I'll just be like, yeah, move on. March 16, what's today? Okay, that was not long ago. Okay, can you confirm you completed this step? If you have tried running Flutter clean, yes, I did. I've also tried. Oh, I think this is the dude who said that it ended up working for him. When I checked the console, I see errors like Java IO exception, invalid sender, error getting FCM token. I have uploaded a new service. Uploaded a new service. Oh, okay. I think I understand what's going on now. So, should I wait for the change to take effect? So maybe we need better, just like better something. Like let the person know if it worked. Like give some type of error, maybe, if that doesn't work. Don't just leave them hanging. All right, so if he fixed the bug, and okay, let's see if this works now. He says that the first request, it will like start up the serverless function and like it'll go back to sleep within 15 minutes. It's been less than 15 minutes. So maybe it'll work this time. All right, nope, still. Now I'm getting an invocation. Oh no, that's what I got last time, an invocation timeout. Let's try it again. Maybe it had to wake up. So we'll try it 2 more times. Oh yeah, look at that. See, look at that. Okay, let's see. All right, you need to do better with the images. Like the aspect ratio is not working. Okay, so where was scenario missing plugin implementation error. Quit the app sync Gradle. Check GitHub issues, Stack Over, but no one seemed to have this issue. Okay, all right. I was like, honestly, if you search for GitHub, like if you're writing a blog post, if you're like, I did these things, it would be dope. Link to the things that you came across. It'll be helpful to others, maybe. 2, One Signal dashboard show Android devices as not subscribed. Okay, but iOS is okay. Well, I mean, I shouldn't say obviously, but if this first part isn't working, and And like, even if you're able to get it to compile after the fact, if it's misconfigured on the dashboard, then it still wouldn't work. Migrated to Firebase messaging. Okay. Ditch one signal. I rewrote the server. And then sometimes it would deliver on. I had to restart the app. Okay. Hold on, I gotta read this again. This is, I ditched one signal and migrated to Firebase messaging. All right, so that's it. I rewrote the server code for sending notifications as well as the Flutter code. Now this worked for both Android and iOS, but it was inconsistent. Sometimes it would deliver and other times I had to restart the app or reinstall it. That's interesting. I also had to write more code to get it working. And also there was no batch count increment, but one signal had it by February 17th. Decided to migrate back. So this is actually interesting for a few reasons. Because technically, you know, anyone could go off and create their own like push server or their own server that does SMS and all that other kind of crap. But what a lot of people don't really think about is it's actually, it's a little harder than you may think. We're doing a lot of things on the back end to try to make this as reliable as possible. And I say as reliable as possible. There's a lot of moving pieces there. And to offer it an experience where you don't have to care about how all these other platforms work that much, like it takes a lot of effort. So it's actually kind of interesting that he's doing this. All right, so he reached out and then he got a reply back. This is March 7th. That's because I'm busy doing other stuff. So I just tried the solution. Okay, let's see. The solution run worked to resolve the missing plugin from the line. Scenario 1, still no, I was not receiving notification on Android. There was no fix for scenario. You never talked to me about scenario 2. I would answer them both at the same time. All right, so the fix is to basically just like start over. So instead of contacting support, I delete the whole app from my one signal dashboard, recreate it and re-upload the necessary files. Okay, so if he actually had to do this, so let's say for instance, and the way to test this would be, I start up my current application, which is set up with I don't know, whatever FCM thing. And then, because let's say that my stuff already works. If it's already working, I already have a valid FCM service account JSON file uploaded for the Android platform. So the way that I would test to make sure this works is I would open up my sample application, my Android sample application, send it a push notification just to verify that it's working. And then I would go and create a new service account, or maybe take the same service account JSON and just modify it in some way, and then upload it, like re-upload it to replace the Android platform. And then I'll send another push notification. If I get that push notification, that tells me that, yes, I've reproduced his issue just coming from the other direction. Because technically, I may not be able to reproduce it from his direction of, like, it never worked. I could, but I mean, the validation step, that would make it hard. So yeah, I had to see if that's a bug, but it seems like he's figured it out, which is good. All right, and I'll let him know. I'm getting those ghost things. It's not inspiring confidence. So I was able to go through your blog post. Took me, I got it again. Took me about 4 research. I only did 4 once. This is the first time. Oh wow. All right, cool. So interesting. I don't know if I like custom keyboards. If this is my first custom keyboard, yeah, this is a little. All right, anyway, it took me 4 refreshes for it. Wow, I did the same thing again, and I got another Phantom keyboard press. Cool. So we're good here. Let me make sure I just like mark this as I'm done. All right. What's going on with iOS land? We have March 7th. Okay. So they even came with an issue. That's great. Hi. When is a new release number planned that includes a commit with privacy manifest on the 3.xx? Wait, what? I am under the impression that we have deprecated version 3. All right, so he wants to know when are they getting what? There's even this isn't an issue. My bad. That confused me the first time, and I just did it again. Okay, they are looking for with privacy manifest. Huh. All right, let's find is there a commit with privacy manifest? Maybe. All right, so okay. It looks like maybe this wasn't ever released. All right, I'm gonna commit into 3xx from 3xx privacy. Okay, interesting. What is this repo? iOS something? Nope. Oh my gosh, that didn't do what I wanted. One signal, iOS. Okay. I'm seeing if this thing has a way to search commit messages. I know GitHub Desktop doesn't do that, but maybe this does. I don't want to have to type anything. I just want to like, you know what? I can just do it. It's fine. One line. All right, cool. So this could give it like this could work, but only if like it's in that first however many commits. So we'll see. I doubt it though. There we go. We get these phantom ghost presses. Gosh, what was it called? Privacy manifest. Ah, look at that. It was there. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Now, if we did our releases a certain kind of way, I could actually use Git to like answer this question to find out if this is in the current release branch. Oh, actually, wait, there is a way to do that. There is a way to do that in Git. Ah, shit. Is that like, is it rev parse? Oops. Wait, what did I just do? Git rev. Maybe this isn't it. Anyway, it doesn't matter though. I found the commit, which means that I should be able to look at this information on GitHub, which may give me information about the PR that, like, I know that is in the PR, I think. I think we've established that, hopefully. Maybe. Nope. Okay, here we are. So this is in the latest. All right, so here's an answer to your question. Oh, wait, whoa. He wants to know when it's going to be in the 3XX branch. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. I forgot about that. Who is it? We are the waiting. Okay, hey man, quick question. At your level, do you still get asked leak code type questions when you interview for jobs? I don't. I guess so, maybe. I don't know. I haven't. That's a good question. So I'm gonna say in my last 3 jobs, I have had like technical interviews, including at this one. At GitHub, yes. I would say it was a lot harder than leak code questions. I had to build I had 2 options. I can build a desktop application, like a full desktop application. It was a word search solver, where like the features where you could load in I don't know, what do you call it? A grid of characters, customizable grid of characters up to 400 by 400. So arbitrary size, a list of words, that would be in the thing, so that it could do the randomized word search, I guess. It needed to be able to highlight the word. So like, let's say for instance, me as a user, I find the word, I can select it and then highlight it essentially. And I don't know, it has some performance requirements. So if you did a naive solution, well, it wouldn't even run in quadratic time. It would run in exponential time if you did a naive solution. And yeah, I had a couple days to get that in. And it was just like, yeah, here's your thing. It was very hard. I'm not even gonna lie. Out of those 2 days, I think I spent 30 hours getting that, because it's like I had 2 options. I could build a Visual Studio extension, which I've never done, or I could build a Windows, what do you call that thing? WPF application, something else I had never done. But I was like, one of them seems easier than the other, right? And now thinking back, I'm like, it probably would have been a lot easier to do the Visual Studio stuff, because I had to create custom UI, custom UI components and shit. Like I had to extend XAML. Like I had to do a whole bunch of weird shit, in order to get that to work. And I actually ended up shipping 2 solutions on 2 different branches. One of them used the TPL library, multi-processing, basically, parallelism and all that kind of stuff, because I identified a way that I could parallelize things due to the nature of how I implemented my solution. And then I had my regular one, and in both cases I was able to load in a 400 by 400 grid of characters, along with, gosh, how many words? I don't know. It was a lot of words, and it could find them instantly, right? Like instantly. I ended up having to use two separate. They're not that rare, but I mean, I would say most people wouldn't think to use these data structures, because I don't think most people know that much about these. And there was a particular algorithm that I used in order to solve it, so that it wouldn't be slow. So I guess like the answer is no. In my opinion, lead code questions are incredibly easy because it's just like that question. You don't have to actually do anything. It's just like, yeah, solve a function. Whereas with other types, it's like, yeah, go build this thing. And the implication of building the thing isn't, oh yeah, I could just build the thing, but like all of those things that you be doing in a lead code problem, like that should come out, right? Where, you know, these are things that you should be thinking about. And I can tell you that my first solution when I built this word solver thing, it wasn't to do it the naive way of, as soon as I saw up to 400 by 400, my first thought was quadratic at the minimum. 400 squared is a lot, bro. And that's just on the size of the grid, right? Like when you start to add in like all of the words and all of the processing that you'd have to do, it grows into exponential very quick, to where I don't think that you'd be able to do anything more than like a 10 by 10 grid with a naive solution on that. Maybe, I don't know. Don't quote me though. I don't know anything. All right, so we need to know when this is going into the whatever the hell branch. The gosh, what do you call that thing? The 3xx, whatever. So we'll ask that question. Let me mark this as I'm looking at it so I don't forget. All these ghost tab, man, it's annoying. All right, so I see this is on our main branch for 5 E5. Okay, let's go ask. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. It didn't. All right, fine. How do I delete? Okay. It's almost as if the right command. Okay, it's working now. Okay. My right command switch seems like it wasn't working. Maybe, I don't know. It's weird. Let's see here. Thanks for answering. Okay. Yeah. No worries. Oh, wait. I don't even know if I finished. There was one job. It was management though. I didn't get any types of questions, but it's different. Like it's just that when you know people, right? So they already had known me from other things that I had done. Plus I have things that I can point to things and I'm like, hey, I did that. So at some point the work that you've done can speak for itself, and you know, it stands alone. So I was able to get a job based off of purely that, and them knowing who I was, and you know, spending a few weeks with them, you know, so they kind of understand what I can do. So I did that, and then for this job that I'm at now, yes, I did get asked like technical questions. One of the questions, I won't say it, but it was one of those like those Google brain teaser type questions. It was literally a Google brain teaser type question. I think a lot of the folks here like used to be at Google. Why else would they be using those types of questions? I don't know. But yeah, I remember giving that. It wasn't a programming problem. It was just like straight up a problem, just like solve it. And I guess I solved it. Obviously I'm here, but yeah. To be honest, I don't think I've ever really, I don't know. I haven't. I'm trying to think about like out of the interviews that I've done that were like that, like whiteboarding interviews. Those are the only ones I can remember. And when I had whiteboard interviews, they were actually on a whiteboard interview. So they were all, you know, in person. And I've been I've always interviewed for jobs outside of where I live, and they would have been remote from the time I started my career, because my first job out of school was basically remote. I was on a remote team. So for the most part, my entire career has been like remote. So back then, a lot of the final rounds, they would fly me out. So those were like actual whiteboarding. But at some point, I guess it did switch to doing the current whiteboard style, or I don't know, question, whatever they call them now, technical interviews. But I've never had one hosted on LeetCode. I have had one like the Google stuff that I've done. They just have me open a Google Doc and you do it there. And like, yeah, I'm just like, that's not a good experience. I don't know if I ever want to work for y'all. Like, this is how y'all code in fucking Google Docs. I know they don't, but that's what I'm gonna tell myself. All right, let me message these folks and ask this question. Okay, team message. All right, cool. It's almost as if my history is in here. I see what's happening. Let's close all these. They don't matter. Oh, what did I just close? I don't think I wanted that. Oh yeah, no, I don't want that right now. I thought I was on the. I thought I went to the releases. I thought I pulled that up. Did that not go to history? It didn't. Dang it. All right, well, fine. I'll look it up. Makes my life a little harder though. I literally put in the literal term 3xx and it comes back with not that. Oh wait, never mind. I'm lying. So technically they're not asking 3xx, they're asking like in the 3 essentially. When was our last 3 release? 12.7, okay. Oh no, I don't want to edit. I don't want to. I'll just go to the release. Okay, so someone asked when this commit will be shipped in a. Be released actually. In a 3.x branch. Was 9 September 7th, 2023. Okay, we'll take that and make it a link. I know y'all can't see this, but that's okay. I'm in Slack composing a message. Okay, we'll take that link. Someone asked when this commit. Okay, so I've already asked, so there's not much else I can do about that. Let's go back on to here. Did I already mark this? Yes. No. Yes. Hello, is there a guide for implementing one signal notification service extension using... I thought I answered that. Wait. Oh, no, I did answer that, but I answered it somewhere else. Hello, let me just mark this as here. Hello, I'm in my app using Expo and React Native. If I try, man, we actually have a React Native, or just React. Maybe I'll create a React Native channel because it is separate enough. Yeah, we'll do that. Text, React Native. It would be really dope if I can forward this to a channel. Oh yeah, okay. Well, yeah, I've actually created one just now. Unfortunately, I can't forward messages, so whatever, it's fine. Let's see if I can answer it over there and just, who knows, we'll see. My app using Expo, React Native. If I try to install pods from iOS, but wait. If I try to install pods from iOS but returned error, XC framework. All right, what are we getting? SDK. Yeah, all right. 3.12. All right, 3.1. Whatever that is. 3, not 5, not the latest. Cloning. Okay. Bytes. Unexpected disconnect while reading. Okay. What it's. I don't, to be honest, I know what it is, but I don't know why. This seems like a Git problem at this point. Here's why I think it's a Git problem. It's saying that it's an error installing, and the last thing that it does is just trying to clone, and it then says that it disconnected. So like, that seems like a Git problem at this point, but maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it is us. So we're cloning into this thing, and then it says that there's some more bytes that are expected, because whenever you do this git clone or whatever, it's going to tell you how many bytes you're going to be pulling down so that you know when you're done. So it seems like at some point their network may have disconnected. Let me see if this is this consistent? All right, so we'll just mark that. Basically, this is, I need more information. I don't know. All right, Flutter. I really don't like Flutter. But here we are. I'm done. Thanks a lot for the update. Oh yeah, you're good. Why is this telling me that I had something when I didn't? Angular looks like I don't have anything. Okay. Unity looks like I don't have anything. Wait, did I block this? Oh, okay. Maybe I did. Did I not ban this person? Let's do the ban hammer. Oh, I blocked them. Okay. All right, fine. Okay, it looks like we're all good here. Oh man, look, I might be done. There's nothing here. It was all a lie, except for this. Okay. Let's see here. Thanks for trying. However, I'm not transferring the transcription. I first create an alias, then I transfer multiple subscriptions. Wait. I'm not just. I missed that word. Just. I'm like, wait a minute. I read this as, I'm, however, not transferring a subscription. And then another sentence later, then I transfer multiple subscriptions. I'm like, wait a minute, hold on. Like, this contradicts what you just said, but I missed this just. Okay. I first create an alias. I've got a database full of player IDs, subscription IDs per tile. Once I link multiple, I get the aliases error when sending a notification. I also experienced this when I used the React Native SDK. as a new user. I first log into my account, and then end up with the same error. I can send you a one single ID and DM. Sure. Okay. All right. Cool. What is this? Okay. Sure. We'll watch this back when done. All right. Perfect. So then let's be like, sure. We done with React? Cannot open it. Fuck. Okay. Shit. Wait. How come I can open it? Copy link. And I don't mean like I know I can open it obviously in my main browser, but let's see if I can open it here. No, I can't. Okay. All right. Shit. All right, man. These ghost freaking spaces. It's like multiple in a row. Even here, my gosh. All right, look at that. I'm done. I'm done with all of the responding to people. And it actually did take me almost all day. It's 4 o'clock. Even though it turned out to be a lot less than I initially anticipated. It still ended up taking all day. But now I'm done. And I know the people who are in the Discord, they'll probably be all upset because I can only look at this I can only do it like once a week at this point. I have a lot of other things I'm trying to get accomplished. Like getting these new docs rewritten so that I can then share them to people, with people. Like the guy who I was just trying to share these docs that I've been working on with, he can't see them. And that's because they're not public yet. So I want to be able to get these published as quickly as possible. Interesting. Why? Why is Snagit coming up open from that? It should be F13. Yeah. It is F13. How in the hell is control? Is this being mapped? God dang it. I kind of expected this keyboard to just work. I don't want to have to like configure shit. My gosh. I think what's happening is, well, now I can't even access the device. Oh, look at that. Great. Oh, okay. There we are. Cool. So So no macros. Okay, so it's not that. No, none of that. I was doing Control Shift S. Is there anything mapped to that somehow? Control Shift S. Does that do anything? No. All right. I don't know why Control Shift S is triggering Snagit now. It's never done this. This is new for me. Watch it'll be configured. I'm over here, so it's never happened. Yeah, okay. Control Shift S. Okay, it's never happened. Trust me. Let's get this shit out of the way. Missing mission control? No, honestly, I don't think there's ever a time when I'm trying to capture any of this. But if I want to, I'll come in here and change it later. All right, so now this should not perfect. Okay, so now we'll go into keyboard shortcuts, and I'm gonna look for a sidebar here. We're gonna change this Command Shift S. That way, like it quits glitching out on me and quits like being like, oh yeah, double tap or double whatever. There we are. Cool. It's a little bit better. All right, let me see where we are with this. Are these almost done? Oh, haha, man. Oh, man. This scares me every time. I'm looking at the wrong version. Oh, wait. Am I looking at the wrong version? Or... Oh, no, I'm not. I asked him... So I've gotten help with this. So I've asked him to do it in the main version. And I'm the one who did it in the wrong version, so I'll fix my stuff later. So send email. There should be... Oh, no, it's not done yet. Okay. What about SMS? Not done yet. But that's okay, because honestly, once I finish that, like all notifications, at least create notification will be done. These other ones down here, well, not these. These are the ones that are going to replace this right here. But these right here are incredibly easy. I can get those done in like 2 or 3 days. Yo, what's up, Marshall? B. I'm all right. Just figuring out things, you know. I was answering questions earlier, but now I'm trying to figure out, you know, how much more I have before I can publish this. And now I'm looking at this. I want to have one-line descriptions for each one of these. So I need to improve that. It's not satisfactory to me. And for some of these, I want to be a little bit more specific about the types of values that you can pass to me. Like if there's any length constraints, character constraints, that kind of thing. Big news? What happened? Is this new keyboard? Oh, you're buying a house on a few acres. Oh, god dang. Congratulations. I wish I could have a few acres here. Like literally like down the street from where I am. I don't want to have to go too far out. I want to be centrally located. Have an acre and a half. I can show you what an acre and a half, because there is some land for sale. Although I don't know if it's going to show up on Zillow, if I'm being honest. But I'll try. We'll try. Is this land? No, it's not land. there are, wait, I know there should be a, this, one of these should be a spot here. I walked by it last night. Wait, not last night. Saturday night, not last night. Yeah, there were a few on Del Monte. I don't see them here. All right, well, never mind. But I would want some here because if you look at the, let's just look at one. Ignore the house. The house doesn't matter at this point. We want to look at the size of the lot. Oh, it's only half acre. Okay, this is a smaller one. I think this one might be a little bit larger. Yeah, 1.5, 1.55. That would be my ideal. Yeah. Yeah, it's some expensive acres. But I mean shit, like, yeah, it's fine. You got private security. Like, it's kind of cool because like you get to know them over time. One of these houses, it's on, gosh, what's the street? Chevy Chase. There's a house. Gosh, where is it? Is it? Oh, it's before River Oaks. It's before River Oaks. Is this it? It's a house that I wanted to buy in the past, and I ended up not, and I kind of regret it. Yeah, this one. This house right here. This house. It wasn't this price. It wasn't this price when I wanted to buy it. I regret it now. Oh, they've taken off pictures, but oh my gosh, talk about a beautiful house on the inside. Let's see if we can pull it up, though. I'm actually curious. Wait, oops. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yeah, that here. Hard.com. Yep, photos are still here. Perfect. Look at this. All right. Yeah, you could DM me on Instagram. Like, that's the only thing I really actually will look at. Yeah, you see, you get like your own little courtyard yard. You don't have to look at the street. You can look at your own fence of vines. You get a little, what do you call those pools? I don't know, like a jacuzzi. Yeah, that a jacuzzi pool. And this is the tree. It just grows inside. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need this shit. Man, with the stove, you know how much cooking I would be doing? I would actually do cooking videos. I would have actually done cooking videos, but it's too late. I didn't do it. I'm curious. What's this new keyboard sound like? Can y'all hear it? Does it sound the same? Cause I got a new keyboard. And I'm trying to, that's why I'm making all these mistakes, because certain things are happening. It's not my fault. So you can't hear. Okay. All right. I wasn't sure. Cause I think it's a little bit quieter. Slightly. This is a much lighter keyboard. That's one thing already I don't like. And I noticed that even though it's got an aluminum top, it still gets fingerprints. Whereas my other keyboard, which is aluminum, I've been using for 2 years. No fingerprints on it. I'm like, I touched this thing once and I see a fingerprint on that. I've been touching it for years. No fingerprint. All right, so let's figure out what I need to finish. There's only one thing really, which makes my life a little bit easier, and it's these right here. I have to go in and make sense of all of these. It seems easier said than done, and rewrite it so that it makes sense, and give example of how it may be used, why you may want to use it, kind of thing. I also have to rewrite whatever this is. So yeah, yay for me. And these all need to get reorganized so that they all look like this. And there is a benefit to it. It's not just like a waste of time. There is no way that I can link to Huawei LED color in a table. But there is a way that I can link to it if I give it a header. And it would also show up in this table of contents. I think that most people who are actual developers who actually spend time doing shit, they will also agree that it's much better to have a URL to a thing that you can then share with others than to say, oh yeah, like here's this, wait, I can't even find it. Like, oh yeah, here's a link to this thing right here, appearance. And oh yeah, find the thing that you need, by the way. And then you get to scroll through. In the past, all of this was that. All right, man. You have a good rest of the day, Marshall. I will see you later. Have a good rest of the weekend or week as well. If I don't hear from you. Okay, so I guess I will. I'll just start this because this is standing in my way. But with that being said, I think that I'm gonna go ahead and bounce too. So I'm here for questions. If any of you have any questions that you want me to answer, now's your chance. I'll hang around for up to 10 minutes or so. Chatting, answering questions if there are any. So we'll give you a few seconds. Have one pop in. Oh, my iPad died. Are you streaming every day like that? What do you mean? What do you mean like that? What do you mean? So I'm gonna be real on when it comes to the streaming schedule. I really don't have one. A lot of times it's just like I will convince myself that I should stream. I don't want to say that I'll do it every day because I know that I won't. I try to do it at least 3 times a week. I can commit to 3 times a week. A stretch goal is often 4 or 5 days a week. So on average, you should expect to see about 3 to 4 streams from me a week. On average, over a year. Like hopefully I can keep that pace over a month. But it's really over a year is how I would break that down. Now, if you're talking about this style of stream where it's just like me co-working, like this virtual co-working, then yeah, during the week, a lot of my streams are that way during the week. However, some days I do stream in the evening if I don't stream in the first half of the day. And those streams, I often work on my own side projects, or I'm just hanging out, chatting, or I don't know, just doing whatever. Maybe I'm editing photos or videos or something. Yeah. So if you like these, what I recommend is just like subscribe. All of these, they go to VOD. So I wouldn't say that you should feel the need to like catch me live. However, if you have questions and you actually want to do what you're doing, like, chat, talk, then yeah, the only way you can really do that is live. I'm trying to do more videos. I was meant to do a unboxing video of this keyboard. That didn't happen. I was also meant to record a video of me putting the keyboard together. That also didn't happen. because I got it. I'm like, man, let me put this keyboard together so I can get to work. I was just like, I got shit to do. So I didn't even record it. But I still have time where I can go back and record it and kind of like give my review. Cause I already have complaints. Like, it's too soft. All these phantom ghost keys that I have going on right now when my other one never had that. And the fact that I had to configure it. All right, so I'm gonna assume that that's it. So with that, I'm gonna see y'all later. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.